Now we're going to talk about editing animation that was loaded from a BIP file. So the smaller biped here had its animation loaded from the Footstep 02 BIP file. And you notice that he's starting in exactly the same position as the other biped. Just Control Z and reselect him. What if I want to move him out like this so that he starts walking out here and goes in a different circle so that he doesn't start out standing between the other biped's legs? Well, I'm just going to Control Z and undo that. You might think that I could just auto key, pull him out here, and auto key off. And now maybe he'll walk in that other circle. But it's not true. As soon as I start out, he jumps back in there. And this guy is in figure mode now, so I need to take that off. So this figure, BIP 02, has a key on every frame. And I'd have to go through and change every single key in order to get him walking out here. But there's a much easier way to do it, and that is using track view and a list controller. So I'm going to undo until I've got him back in the middle there where he was before. I'll just select this guy and take him out of figure mode. Now I'm going to come back in and select BIP 02. Now I'll go to the Graph Editors, Track View Dope Sheet. So here's BIP 02, and here are his horizontal keys. Those are the ones that we're looking to affect. You'll notice that it already has a position list controller with an available slot. So we're going to take advantage of that by assigning a controller to this available slot. I'm going to right-click and assign controller. And I'll add a position XYZ controller there. Now I'm going to go up here and select Add Keys. Now I need to come back down here and expand this, and I'll go to X position. Click on frame 0, right-click. I meant to be at time 0 here, so I'll just put in 0, and then I'll give it a value of 25. Hit return, and X out of that. Now I'll minimize this, and here you can see my figure has stepped out. And now he goes all the way around with X 25 over. So that's one way that you can work with a biped after you load a BIP file onto the biped. Rather than trying to work with all these keyframes down here, take advantage of list controllers. And by the way, all this shows up over here as well. It's just a little bit more convenient to do it in the track view. So that concludes this movie about continuing to animate a biped after you've loaded a BIP file onto it.